One of my favorite cookbook authors is Patricia who specializes in French cuisine, and this is a recipe from her. It's Parisian apple cake. So I've peeled, cored, and sliced 4 Granny Smith apples, and then I put them in some acidulated water. That's water with apple cider vinegar or a squeeze of lemon. Now I've preheated my oven to 400 degrees, and I've got a 9-inch springform pan, and I will butter the sides and bottom completely. Now I'll mix together the dry ingredients in a large bowl. I've got a half a cup of flour, a third of a cup of sugar, a tablespoon of baking powder, and a half teaspoon of salt. Now I'll mix together the wet ingredients. That's 2 eggs along with about a third of a cup of milk and some vegetable oil and some vanilla. And then I'll add it to the dry ingredients. Incorporate it well, and then I'll add the apples and make sure that the apples get well coated with the batter. Now go ahead and spoon the apple mixture into your pan and then bake it in that 400 oven for 25 minutes until it's fairly firm. And then in the meantime, while the cake is baking, I'll make the glaze. Now the glaze consists of a beaten egg along with a couple of tablespoons of melted butter and some sugar, and we'll just set that aside. Now spread the glaze over the cake and then return it to the oven for another 10 minutes. It's my love letter to Patricia and the recipe is yours if you'll write to me here at the station or log on to the website. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks for watching Kitchen Guy, the tastiest 2 minutes in television, and I'll see you next time.